Now let us understand debate with the help of an example. Please watch this very carefully. Let us first of all see a question. The question is, the internet cannot replace a classroom teacher. Write a debate in about 150 words, either for the motion or against the motion. You are Ellen Moses. And here is the answer. Honorable members of the jury, respected teachers, my worthy opponents and dear audience. Today, I, Ellen Moses, stand before you to express my views for the motion, the internet cannot replace a classroom teacher. With the advent of internet, life has become really easy. All of us have time and again taken the help of internet to collect information. In fact, it has become a lifesaver at times. It can provide answer to all questions, provides different viewpoints on all topics, and most importantly, helps us to learn at our own pace without even going to the school. It can even help the students of remote and inaccessible areas. Many of you would question, when we can find everything on the internet, why do we then need teachers? This is because teachers touch lives in innumerable ways. They are humans to give a positive impact. Technology can never be a replacement to teachers. There are times when online information may not be authentic. It can never replace the relationship between students and teachers. The bond that we share with our teachers is irreplaceable. The evaluation of internet is unbiased, but this is what is exactly required while teaching and testing. Learning differences among students require different means of testing. Being human and taking students' background and level of understanding of the student into account is important. Remember, teachers give knowledge and wisdom while the internet only gives information. A big thank you to all our teachers for being there for us, for giving us knowledge and wisdom, and for making us what we are today. Thank you. This is the end of this video. I strongly believe that this video was helpful. If yes, please like this video and share it with your companions. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.